Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, I colored my hair red. I posted it on my story and you guys said I should post the tutorial, so here it is. I colored my hair red. I'm gonna be using this for a Halloween look that I'm planning, and also I want to do a very fall appropriate color. So without further ado, sit tight and let's jump straight into the video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I look very different. My hair is red. I mean, obviously, as you can see, my hair is red. I colored my hair. This is the first time ever coloring my hair. This is actually my colored hair, but it's not permanent color though. I use hairpin wax for the first time. I've been seeing it around since last year or even the year before, and I finally decided to try it because I'm actually going to be using this to do a Halloween look. So I was like, okay, let me just use this opportunity to try this out, and this is the result. So I'm going to show you guys exactly what I did from start to finish, and I'm also going to be using my favorite Funky's Daughter product in this video to moisturize my hair before I start, because you guys know whenever I want to do any experiments with my hair, I like to make sure it's deeply moisturized before I start, so that if there's any wahala, my hair can handle it. But yeah, if you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload my videos. And without further ado, sit tight and let's jump straight into the video. Okay, so I just freshly washed and deep conditioned my hair. That's why this plastic bag is on my hair right now. You guys know whenever I'm done washing and deep conditioning, I always keep like a plastic bag on my hair just to keep my hair damp before I actually start applying my moisturizing products. And I'm going to be using extra butter and thirsty curl. This is thirsty curl. Now I'm using the small bottle that's in the travel size kit because for whatever reason I can't find my big bottle. I don't know if I finished it and I threw it away or I kept it somewhere. Like, I really don't know where my big bottle is. This is my extra butter. Whenever I show you guys this thing, the container is always almost empty because I use it a lot. Like, I use this thing so much. Let's start moisturizing. Okay, so first I am starting with Thirsty Curl. Thirsty Curl is like a leave-in spray. My hair is still damp, so I'm spraying Thirsty Curl in my hair before I start applying my moisturizers. It just gives my hair this extra hydration boost. And since I'm going to be using hairpin wax eventually, I wanted my hair to be as hydrated and as moisturized as possible. Next, I'm taking extra butter. As we're getting into the colder months, I like to use extra butter as opposed to super curl in my hair because extra butter just helps to lock in more moisture in my hair. So I'm using that and applying that to my hair, a generous amount, making sure that my hair is very nice, moisturized, hydrated, and soft. And I'm just going to twist that section when I'm done moisturizing. So very straightforward process. Apply thirsty curl, apply extra butter, and twist up the section. Extra butter has really nice ingredients like palm kernel oil, glycerin, which is a humectant that draws moisture to your hair. It contains shea butter. It contains a lot of nice fatty alcohols as well, like cetyl alcohol. There's aloe vera leaf extract as well in this, macadamia, sweet almond oil. So it does have a lot of nice ingredients that really help to soften and deeply moisturize your hair. I love this stuff during the colder months. As you can see, my hair looks really nice and moisturized and healthy. My twists look juicy. I'm just going to let everything soak in and marinate before we move on to the next phase. This is the next phase of this hairstyle. I decided to try some hairpin wax. I've been wanting to try it. I've seen it all over Instagram. You guys might like to do different types of hair colors, but I normally use wigs because I'm too scared to color my own hair. So I decided to try hair coloring wax just to see how it will be. So I went ahead and ordered off Amazon. I just searched like hair coloring wax or hairpin wax and stuff, and all the ones that came up, this one was like the most popular. I think the brand is called Mofa Jang or something like that. I bought 2 containers because I wasn't sure how much I was going to need. I've actually done most of my hair, as you guys can see. So this is the container that I was already using. As you guys can see, it's quite messy. And I've used this much. I'm actually almost done with this container. So hopefully what is left will be able to go in the 6 sections that I have left. But thank God I got 2 containers though. So even if I run out of this one, at least I have another container. This thing gets messy. Like, my hands were red all over. The good thing is that it washes up easily, so wear something that you can easily wash. So I'm mixing the hairpin wax with Uncle Funky's Daughter Curly Magic. It is an amazing gel. All the people have recommended this gel to absolutely love it. I use it on all my kinky curly wigs. This gel doesn't leave your hair crunchy, and it has a very nice it gives you a lot of good definition without leaving your hair crunchy or flaky or anything like that. So now let's get back into the video. Okay, so as you can see, I'm giving myself a side part because I wasn't sure if I wanted to do this as a side or middle part. So I just decided to part my hair before I start putting in the rollers. That's a very good tip. If you're doing roller sets or even braid outs or twist outs or whatever, do your parting before you actually start doing the hairstyle, because if you do it after you do the hairstyle, you can mess it up and just cause excess frizz. So this is what the hair color wax looks like. As you can see, it looks like clay sort of, or like Play-Doh, and it's very thick. So I'm just applying it to my hair. My camera wasn't recording when I started applying it initially, but I'll show you guys with the next section. So I just apply that straight to my moisturized hair. I let all the moisturizers really soak into my hair before I started this process. So I started this like hours after I moisturized my hair. So I'm just applying that straight. As you can see, you can actually just leave it like this. Just apply the hair color and leave it like that. Smooth it through your hair. But I was going for a curly look, so I decided to use gel. So this is Curly Magic that I'm taking, and I'm just going to apply that to that section. Now watch what is going to happen. So because of how thick the combination of the hair wax and the Curly Magic is, the hair wax feels like I'm putting clay or a really thick clay in my hair, and then the Curly Magic, since it's a gel, is quite slippery. So the combination of both actually stretched my hair out and forced my hair to form clumps. I'm going to come up close so that you guys will see. If I put just the gel in my hair doesn't form these clumps. If I put only the clay, only the hair color, sorry, in my hair, it doesn't form those clumps as you guys saw. But the combination of both, because of the consistency and the slipperiness of the mixture of both the hair color and the gel, it actually stretched out my hair and forced my hair to form clumps. So after that, smoothing everything through my hair, I'm just going to roll it in a roller. Now as you can see, I'm using an orange roller because I didn't have enough green rollers, so I had to use orange rollers for 2 sections. So I'm just going to show you guys again. I applied the red hair color to my hair, massage it through, then next I apply the gel. So right now I've applied Curly Magic, and as you can see, it's forcing my hair to form clumps, and it actually did make my hair much easier to detangle. And yeah, one thing I normally do whenever I'm doing roller sets is that, I've mentioned this before, I normally separate the section into about 4 to 6 pieces. You know how normally when people separate their hair after they take out the rollers, when you're trying to fluff and separate, I do that before I put in the rollers. If you separate your hair into 4 or 6 sections before you put in the rollers, it'll be much easier for you to separate your hair when you're fluffing, especially if you have like 4C hair or kinkier hair that doesn't separate easily. Do the separation before you put in the rollers. If that part was a little confusing, ask me down below and I'll explain what I mean. So I'm on my last section, as you can see. Again, putting in the Curly Magic gel. This Curly Magic gel is amazing. It's one of the best gels I've ever tried, if not the best. It does not leave your hair feeling dry or crunchy at all. It gives you an amazing hold, and when you fluff your hair, you still have good definition. You guys will see it as the video goes on. It has a really nice slip, so it just makes your strands glide on top of each other. It just helps to reduce like excessive friction in your hair. This gel is amazing. I don't use it that much because I don't normally use gels in my hair. My hair really doesn't naturally form defined curls, but I had to use it for this style, so I'm just showing you guys how it is. But all the people have recommended it to really like it. So this is actually 2 days after I left the rollers in. You don't have to leave it for 2 days. I was just busy, so I couldn't take it out the next day, but I left it in 2 days, and now I'm taking out my rollers. And as you can see, my hair is nicely defined. Now one thing I noticed is that the hair wax doesn't really mix well with the gel. The textures, the consistencies of both don't really mix. So I was noticing little bits and bobs of like chunks here and there of the mixture. But after I separated my hair and let everything settle in, it looked better. You really couldn't see those chunks or those clumps anymore. Everything just looked better after I was done separating. So that's just something to keep in mind. It's not that serious. Once you separate your hair, you'll be fine. But yeah, just something to note. Anyway, so I'm just fluffing. I decided on doing a side part, and you guys, this is gorgeous. As you can see, my roots are dark. I stayed away from my roots because I didn't want it to get on my scalp. You guys know I have a very sensitive scalp, but regardless, this thing still turned out absolutely beautiful. I love this. I love this. Like, this is beautiful. This is gorgeous. So I didn't put any color on my roots initially, and it was looking a bit off. It was looking like I had like new growth and my hair was dyed. So I just put a little bit of the wax on this and just used it to go over my roots a little bit. I didn't want my roots to be too red, so I just went over it lightly just so it would look more blended with the rest of my hair. I actually also tried to commit to the look and do my eyebrows. I took a spoolie, dipped a little bit of it in the hair wax and just put it over my eyebrows just to commit to this Red Ranger look. My hair feels good. My hair feels really nice. I like this. I love this. I love this so much. So this is my glam look for you guys today. I wanted to do something very fall. This is so fall, like red is such a fall color. Red from my hair to my top to my eyebrows. Even my skirt is red. I can't show you guys. Even my skirt is red. Oh god, I don't know what to say, man. Like this is just this is gorgeous. This is absolutely gorgeous. I'm definitely gonna try more colors. Like this is my first time trying hairpin wax or anything like that, and it has really inspired me to want to try more colors. All the products I use are gonna be down below in the description box, so please make sure you check that out. Let me know what you guys think down below in the comment section. Let me know if you guys have tried hair color wax before. Let me know what colors you tried. Let me know what brands, if you have any brands that you tried that you really like, because there's so many brands of hair coloring wax on the market. So let me know if you guys know any brands that I can try, or suggest a color you want me to try. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. You can subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button down below on my face on this side. Also, do not forget to watch my other natural hair videos on this side. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.